Class V here, back with another GCSS-A helpful video. And today we're on part 8 of our Access Administrative series, maintaining substitutions by personnel number. All right, so this is pretty cool because you're able to display the duration of a substitution. You can end the substitution, or you can even extend that substitution. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into GCSS-A here and go to our workbench, and let's get started. By the way, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, share my videos with your friends, and let's just grow the channel. We're growing pretty fast. I think we should hit 2,200 subscribers today. I'm forever grateful. I really didn't think that there'd be much visibility on this, but I guess there is. People out there actually want to learn. So let's go ahead and jump into maintain substitutions. Okay, so all you're going to do from your workbench is click on maintain substitutions. All right, so for this first video, we're just going to do personnel number. All right, so if you watched my previous video, make sure that you check that out as well on actually how to create a substitution. 40771. All right, you're going to type it in, you're going to hit execute. Whoa. All right, so here you go. So this substitution was created and we did it for 60 days. However, we are going to go ahead and end the substitution today for the purposes of this video. Now, if you do want to change the substitution, you can go up here to the change button and you can actually change right here the date. You can push it out to 365 days. All right, from this date right here, May. All right, so all we're going to do is we're actually going to delete this substitution because there's no reason actually for this individual to have master driver rights anymore. So you will highlight the row, you'll hit delete selected substitution. Yes, you'll hit save, go back, and then just to verify and make sure it took. He has no substitutions. No substitution exists. So basically, this is pretty simple. All right. So yeah. So create a substitution is pretty easy. Maintain a substitution is pretty easy. So you just got to maintain and stay on top of this stuff as an Access admin. So I hope this video was helpful. I look forward to seeing you in the next video as we talk about going through and maintaining substitutions through a position number. So you may not know the actual individual personnel number, but you do know the position number that you need to adjust. So as always, go Ordnance.